DevOps. Hello, and welcome to CyberMag, and today we are talking about DevOps. If you're not familiar with the term, DevOps is a set of practices that aims to bring together software development and IT operations. It's all about collaboration and automation, and it's become increasingly popular in recent years as organizations look to streamline their processes and improve efficiency. But what exactly is DevOps, and how does it work? In this video, we'll explore the principles of DevOps, the benefits it offers, and how to get started with it in your own organization. So let's dive in. First, let's define DevOps. As we mentioned, it's a set of practices that aims to bring together software development and IT operations. It's about collaboration, continuous integration and delivery, and automation. At its core, DevOps is a philosophy that combines the principles of development and operations. It's about creating a culture of collaboration and teamwork between these two traditionally siloed departments. By bringing together developers and IT operations professionals, companies can create effective workflow that allows for faster delivery of high-quality software. But how does this work in practice? Well, one key element of DevOps is the use of automation. Automation allows for faster and more consistent deployment of code, which means less downtime and fewer errors. It also allows for more frequent updates and improvements to be made to the software, which is essential in today's fast-paced, constantly evolving tech landscape. The main goal of DevOps is to shorten the development cycle and get new features and updates out to users faster. It's about continuously improving the software development process and making it more efficient. So what are the principles of DevOps? There are a few key ones to keep in mind. Collaboration. DevOps relies on collaboration between developers and IT operations teams. It's about working together to achieve common goals and streamline processes. Continuous integration and delivery. DevOps emphasizes the importance of continuous integration and delivery. This means that code is continuously integrated and tested, and new features and updates are delivered to users as quickly as possible. Automation. DevOps relies on automation to streamline processes and eliminate manual errors. This includes things like automated testing and deployment, as well as automated monitoring and alerts. Continuous improvement. DevOps is about continuously improving the software development process. This means identifying areas for improvement, making changes, and measuring the impact of those changes. So what are the benefits? Here are a few key ones. Faster time to market. By streamlining the software development process and continuously integrating and delivering new features and updates, you can get new products and services to market faster. This can give you a competitive edge and help you keep up with the demands of your customers. Improved efficiency. DevOps relies on automation to eliminate manual errors and streamline processes. This can lead to improved efficiency and productivity, as well as reduced costs. Better quality. By continuously integrating and testing code, DevOps helps ensure that new features and updates are of high quality. This can reduce the risk of defects and improve customer satisfaction. Increased agility. DevOps enables organizations to quickly respond to changing business needs and customer demands. This can help you stay competitive and adapt to a rapidly changing market. Why has DevOps become such a buzzword in recent years? One reason is the rise of cloud computing. Cloud platforms like Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure allow companies to easily deploy and scale their software, making it easier for them to implement a DevOps workflow. In addition, the proliferation of agile development methodologies has also played a role in the growth of DevOps. Agile emphasizes frequent iteration and the ability to quickly respond to changing requirements, which aligns perfectly with the principles of DevOps. But it's not just big tech companies that are embracing DevOps. In fact, organizations of all sizes and industries are starting to see the benefits of this approach. By adopting a DevOps workflow, companies can improve their efficiency, reduce downtime, and ultimately deliver a better product to their customers. And in today's competitive business environment, that's more important than ever. Disadvantages. While DevOps can offer many benefits to an organization, it is not without its drawbacks. One potential disadvantage is the upfront investment required to implement DevOps practices. This can include costs for training, new tools and technologies, and potentially hiring new team members with the necessary skills and expertise. Additionally, the shift to a DevOps culture may require significant organizational changes, which can be challenging and time-consuming to implement. Another potential disadvantage is the reliance on automation. While automation can streamline processes and eliminate manual errors, it can also create a false sense of security if not implemented and monitored properly. This can lead to a lack of understanding of the underlying systems and processes, which can be problematic in the event of failure or issue. Lastly, DevOps relies on continuous integration and delivery, which can lead to a faster release cycle. While this can be beneficial in terms of getting new features and updates to users faster, it can also increase the risk of defects and issues if proper testing and quality assurance measures are not in place. Overall, while DevOps can offer many benefits to an organization, it is important to carefully consider the potential drawbacks and ensure that proper planning and resources are in place to mitigate any potential risks. DevOps is increasingly being seen as a way forward for organizations looking to streamline their processes and improve efficiency. By bringing together software development and IT operations, DevOps promotes collaboration and automation to shorten the development cycle and get new features and updates out to users faster. It also emphasizes continuous improvement, enabling organizations to continuously optimize their processes and stay competitive in a rapidly changing market. However, it's important to note that DevOps is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It may not be the right fit for every organization, and it may require significant upfront investment and organizational changes to implement. That being said, for many organizations, DevOps can offer significant benefits and help them stay competitive in an increasingly digital world. So, if you're interested in learning more about DevOps, there are plenty of resources out there. From online courses to conferences and meetups, there are numerous ways to get started, and with the demand for DevOps professionals on the rise, it's a field that's definitely worth exploring. That concludes today's video. Did you enjoy today's video? Please share your thoughts on the video in the comments section, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video from us.